In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a payment gateway in Webflow. To get started, open your project in the Webflow Designer. This is where you will manage your store settings and connect the payment provider you want to use for checkout. Before you begin, make sure you are working on the correct project, especially if you manage more than one site. Once you are inside the designer, look to the left-hand side and click on the Settings panel, which is the gear icon. This area contains the main configuration options for your site, including your e-commerce setup. From there, select e-commerce. If this is your first time opening the e-commerce settings, Webflow may ask you to fill out your basic store details. This usually includes things like your business address, your store currency, and the language for your store. These details are important because they affect how your store operates and how your checkout experience appears to customers. If you've already added this information before, you can review or adjust it later in the General section if needed. After that, go ahead and click on Payments. This is the section where you connect the payment methods your customers will use during checkout. Under the Payments section, you will see the option to connect Stripe or connect PayPal. Choose the provider you want to use. Depending on your business needs, you may prefer one over the other, or you may want to connect both if that's available in your setup. When you click to connect a payment provider, you will be prompted to log into your account and authorize the connection to Webflow. Just follow the on-screen instructions carefully. This authorization step is what allows Webflow to process customer payments securely through your selected provider. Once the connection is complete, turn on the Enable Checkout option. This is the setting that activates the checkout experience for your store, allowing customers to move forward with purchases. One important thing to keep in mind is that you will need a paid Webflow e-commerce site plan in order to turn on checkout and start selling. If that option appears unavailable, your site plan is the first thing you should check. After enabling checkout, it's a good idea to review your payment settings one more time to make sure everything is connected properly and set up the way you want. That's all to it. Thanks for watching.